whatever is noble, whatever is right, whatever is anything is excellent or praiseworthy, think about such things. Thank you. Changing your mindset is a game changer. Good morning to our Reverend Sister Principal, esteemed Vice Principal, Versatile System Manager, respected teachers, and my beloved friends. Today we have gathered here to observe a growth-oriented topic, your mindset, your strength. We, the student of class 7th A, are honored here to represent this topic. A strong mindset ensures that you control your reaction to external events, transforming challenges into opportunities for growth rather than letting them cause panic.
Your mindset is the invisible force that transforms obstacles into opportunities.
To know more about the topic, let's invite our friends for an impactful speech.
Good morning, everyone. We all face the same 24 hours, the same setback, the same unexpected Monday. What separates people who move forward from a people who get stuck? It is not talent, luck or timing. It is mindset.
Your mindset is a filter between what happens to you and what you do next. Two people can lose the same opportunity. One calls it proof they were never good enough, the other calls it data.
The event is identical, the outcome is not. That difference lives in your head and that makes it your strength.
If you believe ability fixed, hard things feel like threats. One believes awards the gym, the other grabs the weight.
A failure can mean I am finished or I found one way that does not work. Do that for a year and you are unrecognizable, not because life goes easier, but because you go stronger.
No one is coming to install a better mindset in you. That's a hard part. It is also a good news.
A 1% shift in how you interpret today and how you act tomorrow. You get to choose one sentence for whichever one you pick. Sentences will test you, people will doubt you, but remember, the choice is yours and that's why your mindset is your strength. Thank you.
Thank you for such an inspiring and motivational speech.
Mindset is everything. The difference between a good day and a bad day is your attitude. Your mind is a powerful thing.
Mental toughness, attitude, belief system are the primary drivers of success and resilience.
Here are the key points of building a mindset as a strength framework.
Embrace growth. View abilities and intelligence as qualities you can develop rather than innate talents you are born with. Challenges as opportunities. Problems are viewed as a mental weightlifting that strengthen your capacity for future challenges.
Failure as lesson. Setbacks are used as a feedback or data, not as a personal chances of worth.
Ownership. A strong mindset is about owning your choices, behavior and reaction to events.
Control internal dialogues, actively negative self-talks into positive encouragement and managing your focus. Proactivity. Instead of reacting to challenges, you prepare for them and act on opportunities.
Mental conditioning, developing of the morning routine that fuels the spirit, mind and body, allowing you to prepare for the daily distraction or negativity.
Adaptability, maintaining the capacity to remain calm and focused under pressure.
Goal-oriented, setting specific, positive and meaningful goals.
Purpose, drive and action, having a clear understanding of your why gives you the stamina to face challenges without losing inner strength. Self-trust, operating from a place of confidence in your capabilities.
What an outstanding performance it was.
Action became reaction to show us how mindset shape our life. Let's call our friends with their skit.
Morning to everyone. Characters as student, Rahul, another student, Adya as teacher, I as narrator. Scene 1. School classroom, math class. Rahul is throwing his paper down.
I hate this. I am just not good at math. I never understand this quadratic equation. I should just stop trying. Come on, Rahul. It's tough, but you are smart. You just haven't figured it out yet. Is everything okay here? It's no use. Teacher, I have failed this quiz twice. I am giving up. I never be good at this. Rahul, listen to me. Your intelligence isn't a fixed size. It stays weak. If you train it, it gets stronger. The only difference between failure and success is how you think about it.
A few days later, in classroom, Rahul is attempting a math problem.
It's just not working. Stop saying I can't. Your mindset is your strength, not just brain power. When you say I can't learn this, you open a window for negative thoughts to come to your mind. So I just keep failing? No, you keep trying. Remember what the teacher said about the power of yet. Okay, fine. I can't solve this yet.
Scene 3. A week later, result day.
Rahul, fantastic job on this quiz. You showed great improvement. Thank you, teacher. I have stopped trying to be perfect and started focusing on learning from my mistakes. That's it. Your mindset changed and your results followed. My strength wasn't being just smart. My strength was deciding to keep going when things got tough.
Your mindset is your strength. Thank you.
When you think positively, challenges turn into opportunities and failures became lessons.
This brings us to the conclusion of today's assembly. We hope the message of your mindset, your strength stays with you all day. Thank you.
Thought of the day. Your mindset is the engine that drives your strength and you will be unstoppable. Thank you.